heard about slow vacuuming because I hadn't heard about this trend, and then a friend sent it to me last week. She knew it was the kind of content that I would like and told me about slow vacuuming. So it's where you're not just doing your vacuuming at your normal speed. I don't know about you, but I'm definitely this kind of girl. It's about doing it in a slower motion. So I thought what I would do, this room actually really needs a vac. It's not been done for about a week, if I'm honest. So I'm going to do half the room how I would normally do it, and then I'll do the other half in slow vacuum. Now I haven't washed out the canister, but I have emptied it. I did give a little bit of a wipe round to the filter, but we'll have a look and see how much normal vacuum versus slow vacuum makes a difference. I'm going to use this little tool. I got it with an Emma mattress, and it's got a little blade, and it came in the pack for you to open the cellophane wrap on the mattress without cutting into the mattress. But I have had a similar tool for this before, where if you use it on the bottom, because this is an anti-hair wrap, and then there are 3 girls in this house and a dog, you can just cut through. So if you've got an Emma mattress, this is a really good tool. I just tend to cut through all the hair, get across, and then it just pulls out. Okay, so that is just normal pace vacuum, half of the room. It's picked up quite a bit, you can see there. Okay, moment of truth. I have done this side of the room, just normal speed vacuum. This side, like at a snail's pace. Have a look. Yeah, I can see there is actually much more dirt. So you've got like our hair and fluff, but round here, there's much more dirt as well. I'm going to tip it out to show you because I actually saved the other dustbin that I chucked out of the previous vac so we can compare. Okay, this was normal pace vacuum. Now let's empty the vac into this side and see what we get. So I think it has picked up much more. If you think, look at like the thick of the dust, there's definitely kind of, I don't know, still a good bit of dust there. What do you think? Is it worth your time doing slow vacuum to get a little bit extra, or just do a normal vac? What would you do?